Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we will see how to make crispy Channa Chaat. This chaat is really simple to make and is enjoyed by everyone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon located next to subscribe button so you can be notified every time when I post a new video. Let's get started. I've taken a cup of white channa. This is 250 grams. Wash 2-3 times. Add 3 cups of water. Soak for 6 to 8 hours. Add some salt and pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. This is boiled channa. Drain out the water completely. Add into a mixing bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix well. To get a crunchy coating, we have to coat it twice. This is the first coat. Sprinkle some water. Mix well. Add 3 more spoons of corn flour. Give it a good mix. This is the second coat. Finally, it should look like this, like white pearls. Let's deep fry them. Make sure the flame is on high and the oil should be really hot. Fry them in 2 batches. Carefully add channa into it. Do not mix it immediately. Wait for at least 20 seconds. Then you can start frying. Fry them until they are light golden. Here you can see they started to go golden. It's done and I'm going to take them out. Now let's fry the second batch. Let's mix all the ingredients together to make chaat. Into a bowl, add fried channa. 4 tablespoons of onion finely chopped. 3 tablespoons of finely chopped tomato. 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Half a teaspoon of chilli powder. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add some salt. Mix everything well. Finally, add a tablespoon of date tamarind chutney. Combine everything together. Crunchy, delicious chaat is ready to serve. Do try this chaat at home and share your feedback about this recipe in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.